Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. Daily practice will improve your communication skills. So, what we are doing, we are making daily video to practice improving practice so that we can improve our communication skills and English speaking skills. Imagine a day where you are in a stage and you have to influence so many peoples. The day if come and you can express yourself from your wholehearted, then you can influence so much peoples. Yes, I remember when I have to give a speech about the 4-day training summary, then I am able to express all the things, all the happiness which I have, all the things which I have learned, all the things which I have applied. I am able to express it with so happily, so from my heart, so that people have touched it from their heart also. If you will say from your heart, people will also feel it from their heart. So how it can possible? It can be possible by practicing, by learning, by delivering your own experience. By speaking about your own life, you will be excited. And when you will be excited, people will also be excited. People will be reflected the way we are representing ourselves. So I have learned so many things. Today I want to share that when we apply for a job, we have to communicate in written language. Why? In a resume. Because first what interviewer see is not ourselves. He see our resume. That is something about us. That is close to related to tell something about all your backgrounds in a written format. So this is also equally important, that how you represent yourself in a resume. Because in communication is not about just speaking. Communication is about how you speak, how you write, how you read, how you listen, how you watch things, and how you express things. It can be without speaking also. Expressing cannot always require just language of speaking, because people in the previous 1 lakh years before, they used to tell in their body language only. At that time, only 100% body language work. So, at this moment also, what I have learned from different mentor, that 55% thing is the body language what really work. So we should work on our body language, we should work on our listening, watching skills, we should work on our writing skills. Because these all things will reflect you with your speaking. So in resume, one thing which I have learned and I want to share, what I am doing, I am learning different things from different mentors and I am sharing. So for video making skills, if you have to practice video like me, then I have given the equipment I am using in my description box. You can go and take it from Amazon links with very affordable prices, so that you can start making video to practice English speaking. At the same time, you should write so many things in English. Same thing, you should read, watch. And one thing is the resume, which I want to talk about little. I will make some more videos about that. And in this video, I just want to say that if we are making a resume, then it is also a communication. This is my view. We are here to improve our communication skills. All my video series is only for improving our communication skills, my communication skills, as well as the listeners, the viewers' communication skills. So this can be improved by writing also. When you are writing a resume, the important thing which we should start is, normally people doing the mistake, they start with the objective. cannot tell that this is a mistake, but what what we are really what we are really want, that we want to impress the employer. So what do we want to do? We should, as briefly, he should take lesser time and learn more thing about you. He should able to know more thing about you. So what we should start in starting, we should give our profile summary. Most of the time I have also written my objective, but in the what I've done is I have removed my objective and I have put the profile summary. Profile summary means your all the background of not exactly personal, your strength areas and your achievements and your experience. You are fresher than the experience of projects and your the subject you like. So that thing is in very structured manner, only 5 to 10 lines sentences, so that you can just briefly tell, not any theoretical language, with a very, it should be like that he is reading you. That is like a communication, a written communication with the interviewer. You are communicating with him in a written format. That should be your profile summary. In this video I'll just tell about that, and my upcoming videos I will also tell something which also required in the resume. So watch all these videos so that you will be improve your communication skills. I am a student, I am also improving my communication skills. I am not saying that I am a very good communicator, but what I am doing is I am sharing what I am learning. So you can share what you have learned, and you can also learn what I am sharing. So in profile summary, what we in a starting, that should be profile summary. It start that everybody know that name and mobile number, mail ID should be there, and the profile summary you should start with I have experience in these things, that is in one line. I have experienced in this, so that he just able to, in one line he will get that all the experience, it is suitable or not. If you know that you are applying for the job which is the same product or experience he is required, then you are directly writing that I have experience in this products for this year, so that he will be very easily from the resume first sentence itself he will get all that. And the second, third, fourth sentence you will start writing your achievements or strength areas. Achievements and strength areas. Achievements in the job, that is the work you have done, you getting any awards like that, all these things. And next is any formal way. If you informal way, means you are good at interpersonal skills, you are good in communication, you are a team, you like to work in team. So these all things you can write in the last. First you have to some, if you are win some awards, if you have done some good work, achievements, 1, 2, very briefly 2-3 sentences about some achievements, 1 to 2 sentences about all these things. Anything you want to write about only the accomplishments. Next thing, your strength, soft skills, communication skills, English speaking skills, all these things. And also you can add some software, some learnings. At the end you can say that I am upgrading myself by learning this. I have done this, I have experience in this, I have achievement in these things. I am upgrading these things by learning this type of softwares or these tools I am learning, these projects I am involving, so that I am improving these skills. I am strength in this, and I have experience in this. I have got award for this. This all things very briefly, 5 to 10 sentences you can give it. So it will work wonder. He will like you. he will like you. If you have done, you write it in very formal manner. So first write it in paper, show it to some seniors, and just edit it, and just look it, so that it should look little polished, and keep it in a resume and apply job. And people, if he has less time, most of the time it happens that the HR person has very less time to judge, so that he will be very briefly judge you, very small time, with very less time he can judge you, and he can select you. It may work. So learn and practice all these things. Practicing will help you. So daily practice will improve your communication skills, and a small improvement will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching.